Students, now I am going to take bridge course number 2. So now I am going to teach you prefixes. What are prefixes? I have already told you prefixes are the letters, the alphabet that we add before a word. Prefixes are the alphabet that we add before a word. Okay, let me give you the example. You will understand that. Okay, then you will understand. I will give you examples. Non, N-O-N, non. Second one is un, U-N, un. Third one is D-I-S, dis. Fourth one is I-L, ill. Fifth one is I-R, ir. Sixth one is pre, P-R-E, pre. Seventh one is M-A-L, mal. Eighth one is M-I-S, miss. Ninth one is R-E, re. 10th one is E-N-N. So, if you add this alphabet before a word, these are all called prefixes. So, now let me go to the example in detail. So, what is the first prefix here? I think it's clear for you now. N-O-N. The example for N-O-N is non-violence. You see here? Non-violence. I have underlined the prefix for you. Then only you will understand easily. Okay? So, for non, example is non-violence. So, non is a prefix here. Okay? Next, UN. UN is a prefix here. Unfair is the example for prefix. Unfair. Okay? Un is the prefix here. Again, I will tell you. Here, I have given the word violence. When you add the prefix non, it becomes non-violence. Likewise, look at the second one. Un. No. So, how will you add this with fair? Unfair. Okay. So, UN, when adding with fair, becomes unfair. UN is a prefix here. Okay. Then, DIS, dis, as I already told you, dis. What is the word given here? Appear. So, disappear. I have underlined the prefix for your convenience. Okay. Disappear. Next. IL. That is ill. What is the word given here? Legal. So, when you add IL in front of legal, it becomes illegal. Okay. Then next word, IO. What is the word here, given here? REGULAR, regular. Okay. When you add the prefix IR, it becomes irregular. Okay. Next example, number 6, pre. What is the word here given here? Historic. HISTORIC. The handwriting is like this. That's why I am telling you this particular word. That's why I am spelling it out. Okay, for your convenience. So what is the word here? Historic. 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 What is the prefix here? Pre. So when you add this pre with historic, it gives prehistoric. So pre is a prefix here. Prefix. What is the next word? Mal. 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 Okay. The word I have given here is practice. So when you add mal in front of practice, what will happen? It becomes malpractice. So malpractice, sorry, rolling, it gets rolling, understand, adjust with that, okay. Malpractice. Okay, what is the next word? That means eighth word, MIS, miss. So when you add miss with this word, what is the word? Fortune. FORTUNE, misfortune. Okay. When you add when you add miss with fortune, it becomes misfortune. Okay. Let me go to the ninth word now.